Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Really hadn't got much at the estate sales or for any tool hauls or anything. I have a batch of tools that I may end up doing a tool haul on, but a couple weeks ago we went to a estate sale. Probably drove the furthest we've driven in a while, and I zeroed out on all three that we went to. Didn't pick up anything. Stuff I went for was already gone, and but hey, I found these two items together, and I just think that we'll make Mr. Chuck proud of this find, and his good buddy Magdad. And I think I'm just going to clean up the items I found together, and I'll show you that. You can tell my workshop here is still a mess, so I'm still dragging tail a lot. So but hey, it's getting warmer here, and I hope y'all all doing good, and hope you have a good one, and hopefully this turns out pretty good. So let's see what we can get done. All right, so like I said, we're at this estate sale, and I'm having no luck finding anything. And I go into the little garage there, had a closet off in it, and up on the shelf laid this little bottle of this little Chuck's Magic Juice. FLITZ. We all know he goes crazy over this stuff. I imagine he might fly in here at any minute and
FLITZ.
and just go crazy. So anyways, it's a little 1.76 ounce tube. I've actually needed some because I pretty much squeezed all I can get out of that deal there. And laying beside it was this belt buckle. So I mean, it's nothing special. As you can see, it's got a Susan B. Anthony in there, and it's just probably just plated. So I'm gonna polish this thing up with Chuck's paste and see what we get. I ended up paying $3 for both of these items, and so there's $1 there, so $2. So a little return there. So it's got two little screws in the back here. We can take that coin out. I'm going to use this industrial uniform and towel supply from Tulsa, Oklahoma. One of my little advertisement screwdrivers. Forgive me because I don't remember who sent this to me. I would, if I had to guess, I would imagine. Well, I don't even want to guess because I've got a ton of them, and I'm not as smart as most folks and keep up with who sent it to me. So, but I thank you if you recognize it. I appreciate it. And let's put it to work. So you can see there, it's been on there a while. Got some reaming. Looks like it might have had a little gold in there one time. Yeah, it was gold plated, you can see. But all that's gonna come off. I may hit it with the wire wheel off camera, and we just might make this a silver buckle. So and here's the coin. So can't really read it
FLITZ.
too well. 1979, Susan B. Anthony, I believe. Don't know if it's worth any money. I don't know much about coins, but I know it's worth $1. So let's see if we can get these shined up a little bit.
FLITZ. FLITZ.
Looks like we got the top of it. Came out pretty good, but this bottom here, we're gonna do a little something, get a little more aggressive on the edge there. May have to hit that. I can find me a little brass brush.
FLITZ.
She cleaned up pretty good. Let's see what we can do with this buckle here. Not too bad for just straight polish. There's the back of it. Back of the plating looks to be coming off, but the front of it, there's even a name right there. We can put Chuck's name right there. He looked good on that trot with his big shiny buckle. Get this thing back together. So there she is. I say it's not too bad for $3. Got some Chuck's paste.
FLITZ!
Cleaned her up nice and shiny. And then $1 back in return. So 1979 Susan B. Anthony. Anyways, just something a little different, a little short video. Hopefully y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hey, thank y'all, and y'all have a good one.
FLITZ!